talk about throwing romance out the window. There's a new app that may be coming to smartphones that allows you to consent to having sex before you go on the date. It's almost a legal contract.
Don't you want to see how the date goes first?
Well,
to make all these pre-arrangements, you kind of lose the romance, what if there's no chemistry?
Maybe this is what it's come to.
Sadly, yes, I think you're right. It's called LegalFling, and it involves a legally binding agreement before you hook up.
Romance is officially dead.
Many things can go wrong when dating, and a new app wants to facilitate some of that by protecting you before having sex. Criminal attorney Russ Richelsoph says this app may work out for some people.
Hopefully it'll facilitate a conversation between couples about what they're interested in doing and what they're not interested in doing.
It's called LegalFling, and it's the first blockchain-based app to verify explicit consent before couples have sex, making the do's and don'ts clear to both of you.
It could help remove misunderstandings from, sexual encounters.
The app records sexual consent in a legally binding agreement. Here's how it works. A request for consensual sex is sent to a phone contact of your choice. The other person accepts it. That person then clicks the heart for yes or the X for no. They can also list their do's and don'ts before going on a date.
It's not, though, going to be foolproof. A person could still withdraw consent, verbally. And, if a person withdraws consent verbally, it's still you still have to stop.
And if something goes wrong, the attorney says this app could help you prove or disprove a claim.
There's a lot more evidence available to us when people are using these types of apps, which can be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on whether or not your story matches up with the data that's available from the app.
The bottom line is,
you should be careful about who you engage in sexual intercourse with.
This is so unfortunate.
Who's Jake, by the way? This guy's got a lot of nerve.
What about just one thing leading to another and everything working out?
Think of it as a menu. This is in, that's out. This is good, that's out.
I want to wait till the date gets going a little bit before I sign into any. I don't want to sign into anything.
You don't want a legal contract, yeah. Well, wait a minute, you committed to this.
I'm not committed to this. There's a lot of controversy, obviously, involving the app. Right now, the LegalFling is simply a concept, but its creators hope to launch it on iPhones and Androids, and they may need to with the way things are going right now.
No, it's beyond a concept. It's going to happen.